Hi, I'm Bethany, and that's true.
Glass observation decks atop the world's tallest skyscrapers can provide an exhilarating experience for tourists and locals.
Whether it's Sky Tower in Auckland, New Zealand, Sky Pod atop the CN Tower in Toronto, or Sky Deck protruding from the side of the Willis Tower in Chicago, these man-made vistas give visitors a unique perspective of the city below, far below.
But unlike those, the one we're visiting today sits at a steep, slanted angle and is best experienced by sitting on a special mat and pushing off from the top.
Are you telling me it's a glass slide?
Oh, I am telling you, it is a glass slide. We are wandering around Los Angeles, downtown, trying to find the highest building in the city.
Well, technically it's not the tallest building anymore. That would have to be the Wilshire Grand Center on a technicality.
If you include the spire, then yes, but I don't. I go by roof height. 1,018 feet, US Bank building.
That is pretty tall. However you calculate it, the US Bank Tower, also known as the Library Tower, stands prominently at 633 West 5th Street. And clinging to the 70th floor of the northeast face of the building is our destination, the Sky Slide.
And I think it's right here. Can we see anybody going down the slide?
I hear screaming.
Oh yeah.
I think that means that it's the right one.
Yeah.
Now I'm hurting my neck looking at that.
It's too tall. The SkySlide is part of OUE SkySpaceLA, an entire 3 floors of the building devoted to experiencing LA from above. Oh, metal detectors too.
Hi, we have tickets for Drew and Bethany. Even this place is like...
Yeah, even the inside of the elevator is pretty crazy. Transform
see on the top.
your view.
Our first stop is the 54th floor, where there are a few interesting exhibits before we transfer to a different elevator that will take us to the 69th floor. This is cool. It looks good for some photo ops if anybody wants to bring tourists here, and or if you've lived in LA and never been here. Thank you. In the fun elevator.
This elevator, I guess, only takes us to 1 floor.
So how did the SkySpace come into being?
Well, the previous owners of the building were having a hard time hanging on to tenants. It's pretty common among high-rise office buildings these days. Law firms are leaving, tech companies are moving into rehabbed warehouses and those sorts of things. So when OUE bought the building in 2013, they had to come up with some creative ways to get people back into the building.
And thus SkySpace was born.
Yep, here's one of the observation decks.
Go, best view in the city.
Yep, here we are. What a view, right?
You can see everything from here.
Uh-huh.
SkySpace LA is officially the highest open air observation deck in Los Angeles. We're on top of the world right now.
Definitely.
Before that, the best that LA had was the 27th floor over at State Hall.
Which we could probably see from up here. In fact, there it is right there behind you.
Ah, fear of heights. The little toy cars. Don't get fingerprints on their glass. They have to clean that, you know.
Come look at this. Can you get a shot of this real quick?
Pretty thick, huh?
I don't know if you can see in there. It's 3 panes of glass, and each one's about, I guess, 1/2 to 3/4 inch thick.
Oh, wow.
So this glass isn't going anywhere.
Nope. You're very safe here at SkySpace.
I feel much safer now.
But don't forget, our main mission today is to find the Sky Slide. The Sky Slide, designed by M. Ludwig Engineering, is made of 1 1/4 inch thick tempered and laminated glass panels. In sections where tempering was not possible, like the curvatures at either end, the panels were strengthened chemically.
Each panel is held in place by a series of articulating soft-touch connections. In the event of an earthquake, which is pretty common around here, these connections allow the glass panels to move independently from the building, thus preventing the glass from shattering.
In March of 2016, the fully constructed 45-foot slide was airlifted into place nearly 1,000 feet above the streets below. Now, visitors can enjoy a swift and terrifying ride from the 70th floor down to the 69th floor terrace. I heard the Sky Slide is built to hold the weight of a humpback whale.
Oh, really? So we'd have to eat a lot more cheeseburgers to break that thing.
Yeah, well, we'll see.
Here's the top of it, I guess. We have to pre-board.
We have our rules right here. Make sure all the qualifications.
Let's see, are you pregnant?
Nope.
Do you think you might be pregnant?
Nope.
Do you have high blood pressure, heart conditions, back, neck, bone injuries, or recent surgery or illness?
I have a hangnail. Was that?
I'm sorry, you can't go.
Count?
Oh, jeez. climb on up. Oh boy. Like that.
Bend your knees. This tight.
One of those.
Rider.
Oh my god, this is terrifying.
Good luck.
Oh boy.
Hold on tight.
Yep.
Keep your back straight.
Oh boy.
I know.
See at the bottom.
I'm not going down there.
Whoa! Wait, what? Oh! Oh, that's intense. Woo! Thank you so much. Oh my god. That's awesome.
I guess it's my turn. I got the guilt trip when they're going down. Are you ordained to read people their last rites? Ah, no. Call my mom. Oh, that's comfy. Okay. All right. Okay.
Just a little bit.
Back up. Okay.
Good, right there. Bend your knees. This is your ticket to see your picture at the gift shop.
Hey, it's like Splash Mountain at Disneyland. Ready, ready.
Keep your back straight.
Okay.
Rider.
That's me.
You're the rider.
Can you guys change my mind like halfway down?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay, bye. Oh my gosh, that's so bad.
You made it.
I made it. I was gonna go check out my. I got scared.
Yeah, we should go look at our photos. Ah, cheers.
Cheers.
To the sky slide. Heck of a view.
Not too shabby.
Well, if you would like to come experience the Sky Slide for yourself, which we highly recommend, their hours are 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. 7 days a week.
Tickets are available online at oueskyspace.com or at the box office downstairs.
And if you're enjoying our adventures, check out our website, oddityodyseys.com, and be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can get notifications when we release new episodes.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next Oddity Odysseys.
Well, what is this?
I don't know.
Choose an option. Oh boy. Here we go, X-Files. That's awesome. That's us. Please email it to us.
I'm trying, I don't know. Oh,
Email.
There we go. How do you spell Odysseys?
Oh my god.
Jeez.
2 S's.
Gmail.